In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify's Analytics dashboard to gain valuable insights into your store's performance. Whether you're new to Shopify or just looking to make the most out of your analytics, this guide will help you navigate through this powerful tool with ease. First things first, accessing the Shopify Analytics dashboard is straightforward. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once there, click on the Analytics tab on the left-hand side. This brings you to a treasure trove of information about your store. The Analytics dashboard is designed to give you a clear picture of what's happening in your store, breaking down data into manageable segments that are easy to interpret. Your journey starts with the Overview dashboard. This section provides a bird's-eye view of your overall store performance, showcasing crucial metrics such as total sales, the number of orders, conversion rates, and average order value. These top-line numbers are essential for understanding the health of your business at a glance. They act as your business's pulse, helping you monitor its vital signs regularly. Next, let's discuss the acquisition reports. These reports dig into where your customers are coming from. This insight is pivotal for optimizing your marketing efforts and spend. By knowing which channels drive the most traffic and sales, you can allocate your resources more effectively, ensuring you're getting the best return on your marketing investments. For a more dynamic perspective, the Live View gives you real-time data on your store's traffic and customer activity. This feature is particularly exciting because it allows you to see immediate reactions to things like email campaigns or social media posts, giving you instant feedback on your marketing tactics. Now, turning our attention to reports, Shopify offers a wide array to explore, whether it's sales, customer behavior, or marketing effectiveness. There's a report for every intrigue. These detailed insights help guide strategic decisions by providing deeper context about your store's performance. Customization is another standout feature of Shopify's Analytics dashboard. It allows you to add, remove, and rearrange data cards, tailoring your dashboard to focus precisely on the metrics that matter most to your business. By customizing your dashboard, you ensure that every time you log in, you see the information that's most relevant to your current objectives. If you're on an advanced Shopify plan or higher, you're in luck. You have the option to create custom reports, giving you the flexibility to analyze specific data points. This is especially useful if you have unique business needs or want to explore data in innovative ways. Filters and date ranges are tools of precision, enabling you to dissect your data further. Whether you want to focus on specific products, traffic channels, or certain time frames, these filters provide clarity and allow you to hone in on particular areas. Consider a practical example. Suppose you want to determine which products are top sellers this month. Navigate to the Sales by Product report. Once there, apply filters for the current month and sort the results by sales volume. This snapshot not only helps in understanding what's working well, but also aids in planning stock and refining marketing strategies. Lastly, don't forget the ability to export any report from your dashboard. Once you've gathered the insights you need, exporting reports for further analysis or sharing them with your team becomes as simple as clicking a button. There you have it, a comprehensive look at Shopify's Analytics dashboard. Remember, the more familiar you become with these tools, the more empowered you'll be to make data-driven decisions that propel your store forward.